Straight lines. Question number one. A variable line passes through a fixed point AB and meets the coordinate axis at point A and B respectively. The locus of the intersection of lines through A and B parallel to coordinate axis is. This is line that passes through point AB, and these are the points where this line intersects the axis. Now we have to find out the locus of point P. This line is parallel to x-axis. This line is parallel to y-axis. This is intersection point of the two lines. We can read the question again. A variable line passes through a fixed point AB and meets the coordinate axis at A and B. The locus of the intersection of lines through A and B parallel to coordinate axis is. So we have to find out the locus of point P. So we know that equation of a line passing through a point x1, y1 and making an angle theta with x-axis is given by x minus x1 upon cos theta equal to y minus y1 upon sine theta. Here x1 is a and y1 is b, so we can write x minus a upon cos theta equal to y minus b upon sine theta. Now for point A, y coordinate will become 0. So from there we can get x minus a equal to minus b cos theta upon sine theta cot theta. Similarly, for point B, value of x will become 0. So we will get y minus b equal to minus this sine theta will get multiplied. So minus a sine theta upon cos theta will become tan theta. Now we have to find out the locus of these points. So equation of line parallel to x-axis passing through BP will be equal to this y equal to b minus a tan theta. Similarly, a line passing through point A parallel to y-axis will be x equal to a minus b cot theta. Now, in order to get the locus of intersection, what do? We take these two lines and we multiply. So x minus a times y minus b. If we multiply these two, so we will get ab times tan theta into cot theta will give 1. So we open the bracket, xy minus ay minus bx plus ab equal to ab. AB will cancel out. So we will get xy minus ay minus bx equal to 0. Now we divide each term by xy. So we will get 1 minus a upon x minus b upon y equal to 0, from where we get a upon x plus b upon y equal to 1, which is required equation. Now let's see next question. Question number 2. If f alpha is given as x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p alpha, then the lines f alpha equal to 0 and f beta equal to 0 will be perpendicular. If we have to find out the condition when line f alpha equal to 0, f beta equal to 0 will be perpendicular. So let's put f alpha equal to 0. What do we get? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p alpha equal to 0. So we can get the slope of this line. So y sine alpha equals minus x cos alpha plus p alpha, or y equal to minus x cos alpha upon sine alpha plus p alpha divided by sine alpha. So slope will be minus cos alpha upon sine alpha. Also, f beta equal to 0 gives x cos beta plus y sine beta minus p beta equals 0, from where we get y equal to minus x cos beta upon sine beta plus p beta upon sine beta. So slope is minus cos beta upon sine beta. Since they are mutually perpendicular, it means their product should be minus 1. So we write minus cos alpha upon sine alpha times minus cos beta upon sine beta equals minus 1, from where we get cos alpha cos beta equal to minus sine alpha sine beta, or cos alpha cos beta plus sine alpha sine beta equal to 0, or cos alpha minus beta equals 0, or modulus alpha minus beta equal to pi by 2, which is required condition. Now let's see next question. Question number 3. What is the orthocenter of triangle formed by the lines 4x minus 7y plus 10 equal to 0, x plus y equal to 5, and 7x plus 4y minus 15 equal to 0. Let's find out the slope of these two lines. So slope of this line will be equal to 4 by 7. So m1 equal to 4 by 7. Similarly, from here, m2 will be equal to minus 7 by 4. So if we multiply, means m1 into m2, this gives minus 1. It means these two lines are perpendicular. And we know that orthocenter is the point where all three altitudes of a triangle intersect. Since these two lines are intersecting each other at 90 degree, it means they are altitude. So let's find the point of intersection. So we can solve these two lines. 4x minus 7y plus 10 equal to 0, and 7x plus 4y minus 15 equal to 0. We can solve these two equations by either elimination or substitution method, and we will get x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So that will be orthocenter. Now let's see some basic concepts of straight lines. So basic concepts like slope of a line is given as m, or tan theta, or y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c, and when y-intercept is given. If x-intercept is given, then this becomes mx minus d, where d is x-intercept. Then 2 points form. If 2 points are given, in that case, equation of a line would be y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. Intercept form. When x and y intercepts are given, in that case, equation will be x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Then normal form. Suppose this is a line, this is perpendicular from origin, its length is p, it makes angle omega with x-axis. In that case, x cos omega plus y sine omega equal to p. Angle between two lines. Suppose slope of first line, first line L1 has slope M1 and L2 has slope M2, then we can find angle between them as tan theta equal to modulus M2 minus M1 divided by 1 plus M1 M2, where 1 plus M1 M2 can't be 0. Now, length of perpendicular drawn from a point on a line. Suppose this is D. This point is suppose x1, y1, and equation of line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. In that case, length of perpendicular D can be found by writing ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. Now, distance between two parallel lines. Suppose first line is L1, ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0, and second line is ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. Then distance between them will be modulus of c1 minus c2 divided by a root of a square plus b square. Suppose this is first line, this is second line. So these two lines lie on the same side of each other. But if the lines lie on opposite sides, then formula will change to d equal to modulus c1 plus modulus c2 divided by the root of a square plus b square. Thank you for watching.